The upcoming inventions are unlike anything you've seen before and let you know just how much your car can improve, not just visually but practically. Stay tuned to find out. Looking for cool things for your car? Active safety belt systems are designed to alert drivers to potential hazards through vibration and automatically adjust the seatbelt in anticipation of a crash. This new generation of active control retractor, known as ACR8, combines the concepts of active and passive vehicle safety. Its main function is to adjust the seatbelt at critical moments before a possible impact. This adjustment is activated by information from onboard active safety and driver assistance systems and can work in conjunction with technologies such as autonomous emergency braking or evasive steering assistance. Thanks to this proactive action, this system helps keep the occupant in a safer position in the event of a collision, working in conjunction with other safety devices such as airbags. This is a fantastic and useful tool that has revolutionized road safety, but the next one will take you to new levels of protection and comfort. The Virus Engineering Complete Brake Cooling Kit is configured in a similar format to the OEM and is one of the best car accessories available today, with an emphasis on the shortest possible route. This kit drastically reduces rotor temperatures on the track, improving pad and rotor wear. It uses the OEM fog light as a system inlet and a well-designed channel on the inner fender line, making it the ideal choice for brake cooling. In addition, the kit comes with everything needed for installation, including pre-cut hoses. During the design process, internal scan data and 3D printing technology were used to create a product with a near OEM fit and finish. This brake cooling kit is designed for owners who want to maximize the cooling efficiency of their brakes and increase their performance capabilities. Looking for more top-of-the-line accessories for your car? The Virus Engineering Brake Cooling Kit is just the beginning. The Mover XT is a must-have for your car. It's much more than a simple maneuvering system for caravans. It's an extremely sophisticated solution that offers precision, smoothness, and safety in every situation. With its auxiliary maneuvering system, you can be confident that your caravan will stay on course, even when cornering and avoiding obstacles. In addition, its compact and lightweight design makes it highly maneuverable, and it can be remotely controlled to automatically mount and dismount the tires. In terms of specifications, the Mover XT can support a total weight of up to 2,300 kilograms and is designed for single-axis trailers. Weighing approximately 28 kilograms, the Mover XT is a practical and efficient choice for maneuvering your caravan with ease and safety on any terrain. Offering precision, smoothness, and safety in every maneuver, this device has changed the way we travel with our caravans, but the next ones will amaze you at how good they are. The X-Lifter is more than just a tool for adjusting the height of your vehicle. It's the manifestation of a burning passion for exploration and freedom. With it, traditional boundaries fade away, and unknown terrain becomes an invitation to adventure. Imagine having complete control over the height of your vehicle without the usual speed restrictions. With the X-Lifter, you can raise or lower your vehicle as needed, whether to negotiate difficult terrain or simply to fit into small spaces. But the X-Lifter is more than just functionality. With the X-Lifter, every trip becomes an opportunity to explore new horizons and experience the thrill of the unknown. There's been a revolution in vehicle adaptability, but that's not all. Stay tuned for the next product that'll take versatility to a whole new level. The Thule Allax Dog Crate is an ideal choice for safe and comfortable car travel with your canine companion and a must-have item. Rigorously tested in real-world situations, this carrier features an innovative impact-absorbing zone that provides exceptional protection for both vehicle occupants and your pet. Available in 10 different sizes, the Thule Allax fits perfectly into your car, allowing your dog to move freely while you drive. Plus, the vehicle selector on Thule.com makes it even easier to find the right size for your vehicle, ensuring a perfect fit. Well-designed details like the soft opening door and built-in lock demonstrate the quality and durability of this carrier. Plus, strategically placed openings allow for optimal ventilation and easy access to monitor your pet at all times. Impressed by the safety and comfort the Thule Allax offers your pet? Don't miss what's next. We're about to take you on an even more exciting journey into the world of automotive gadgets. RCI Smart Canopy. You're about to hear about a very cool car accessory. It represents the pinnacle of engineering in metal canopies, offering an unparalleled combination of strength, durability, and versatility. Constructed entirely of stainless steel and designed with a 5-piece modular approach, This hardtop sets a new standard in the marketplace. Its rugged construction ensures long-lasting protection for your vehicle, while its modular design allows for a wide range of custom configurations and the incorporation of accessories to meet your specific needs. From demanding industrial environments to outdoor adventures, the RSI Smart Canopy is designed to meet any challenge. Its strength and durability make it the ideal choice for heavy-duty work, while its versatility allows it to adapt to different situations and needs. Whether you need a secure and protected cargo space or are looking for equipment for your weekend adventures, this hardtop offers the perfect solution. With the RSI Smart Car, you'll be ready to tackle any task with confidence and style, knowing your vehicle is protected by the best technology available. Get ready to discover how we'll take your vehicle protection to the next level. Every motorist knows how frustrating it can be to load your vehicle into a truck bed, which is why this is an essential piece of equipment for your vehicle. The idea for the shark cage came from the personal experience of one of the developers, who was pinned under his motorcycle after his ramp collapsed. With the shark cage, such problems are a thing of the past. This device attaches securely to the rear door of the truck using a special mounting plate that is compatible with all truck configurations. In addition to serving as a solid ramp that securely attaches to the rear door of the truck, the shark cage performs 5 other useful functions. As a bed extender, its structure is designed to fit against the rear tire of the loaded vehicle, preventing bounce and providing stability while driving. When folded and locked into a box shape, it becomes a convenient cargo box for storing tools and equipment in the truck bed. In its cargo cover configuration, it's placed over the top of the truck bed to protect the cargo during transport. We assure you that the next product will be even more surprising and practical for all your travels. The EX01 Smart Wing from Victor Racing represents the pinnacle of aerodynamic engineering for high-performance vehicles. Precision engineered to provide the perfect balance of style and functionality, this 70-inch or 58-inch carbon fiber wing is a masterpiece of automotive engineering. Not only does it enhance the aesthetics of any vehicle, but it also provides exceptional performance in terms of aerodynamics and handling. With its angled arm design, the EX01 not only provides a distinctive look inspired by exotic and high-performance car models, but also maximizes aerodynamic efficiency by optimally directing airflow. Actuators strategically located on the arms provide precise control of the wing, allowing it to be adjusted according to the rider's needs and driving conditions. In addition to its outstanding balance, the EX01 is easy and convenient to install. With just 2 standard power cables connecting to the control module and the vehicle's battery, this wing offers seamless integration into any vehicle. Thanks to its automatic adjustment capability, the EX01 can be positioned in 5 different configurations to suit user preferences and the demands of the driving environment. Impressed by the performance and style of the EX01 Smart Wing? Stay tuned, because our next release will take your breath away with innovation that will blow you away. This 7-tour ST800 car subwoofer is much more than just an audio accessory for your vehicle. With a slim 10-inch design that fits perfectly under the seat, this subwoofer offers exceptional performance without taking up extra space in your car or truck. Constructed with a cast aluminum enclosure for optimal heat dissipation, the ST800 ensures reliable operation under the most demanding conditions. In addition, its updated design for 2023 features a custom Spider speaker protector and an eye-catching LED ambient light ring that illuminates your vehicle's interior with an attractive blue hue when you turn the car on. With the ST800 subwoofer, you can transform the audio experience in your vehicle with impressive bass control. Equipped with a wired volume remote as well as gain, bass boost, and crossover controls, this subwoofer delivers up to 800 watts of power for an immersive audio experience that complements your car's existing sound system. But the next level of audio is just around the corner. Get ready for an even more exciting sound experience in your vehicle. You'll never have to bend down to look under your seat, and you'll have access to your essential tools in seconds thanks to Putco's Mole rear seat panels, a new technological innovation for automobiles. In addition to providing a convenient organization solution, these panels are designed to fit any truck or Jeep with seats that have removable headrests. By simply removing the headrest, sliding the ring-shaped straps over the headrest pods, and securing them to the bottom of the seat, you can install these panels in seconds. Constructed of 10-gauge aluminum, these panels offer exceptional durability and are guaranteed not to rust, unlike inferior steel panels. Plus, you won't have to worry about rips or unpleasant odors like some fabric options. With Putco's Mole rear seat panels, you'll have peace of mind knowing that your important tools and accessories are organized and always within reach. Impressive gear, but no more impressive than you are if you subscribe to the channel and like it to see more videos.